Organizing your argument in social sciences, a guided approach. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the art of academic writing, specifically focusing on organizing your arguments in the field of social sciences. Being able to present your ideas logically and compellingly is crucial for success, so let's jump right in. Social sciences explore human behaviors, institutions, and cultures. Given the vastness and complexity of these subjects, clear and structured arguments are essential. When your writing is well organized, it 1. Improves clarity. Your readers can follow and understand your ideas with ease. 2. Enhances persuasiveness. Logical flow makes your argument more compelling. 3. Reflects thorough research. A structured argument indicates that you've thought deeply about your topic. Every solid argument in the social sciences contains 1. Introduction. Introduces the topic, the significance of the research, and states the thesis or main argument. 2. Background or literature review. Summarizes existing research on the topic and identifies the gap your research will fill. 3. Main arguments. These should be presented in a logical sequence, each supporting or elaborating on your thesis. 4. Evidence. For each argument, offer evidence. This could be data, examples, or citations from authoritative sources. 5. Counterarguments. Address potential criticisms or alternative views, and refute or acknowledge them as necessary. 6. Conclusion. Summarize your main points and restate why your argument is significant. 1. Use clear headings and subheadings. This breaks up your text and guides your reader. 2. Transition smoothly. Use transitional words and phrases like, however, in addition, and, as a result, to guide readers from one point to the next. 3. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary jargon or overly complex sentences. Remember, clarity is key. 4. Revise and reorder. After writing your draft, review it. Check if the arguments flow logically and if any points need to be rearranged for better clarity. Organizing your argument effectively is the backbone of solid academic writing in the social sciences. With a clear structure, compelling evidence, and a logical flow of ideas, your work will stand out and make an impact. We hope this video has illuminated the path to more structured, persuasive writing. Until next time, keep writing and refining your skills.